Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the tool deals, some clearance sales, price drops. Don't forget to help with the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make sure review videos. This is the way YouTube grows the platform by subscribing and likes. Yeah, they got these on display instead of the power stack. They got the old, not the old, but the extremes, 12 volts. Alright, so they got this one, 2077, down from 2598. This is a Bulldog concrete drill bits. They're not for drill, they're for SDS Plus, I believe. Yep, SDS Plus. Then they got these saw blades, 1517. So they're the Edge Extreme Cut. And this is the way the power stack section looks like, basically. So they got the half an inch hammer drill here with the power stack combo, 169. So that's it right there, 778. And they got another one down there, a few more. So they got a few of these in stock, and then they got the impact driver. This is the 840, by the way. This is one of the most powerful impact drivers from Dewalt. If you guys want to check out my videos, I do have a few videos on this impact driver. Like I said, it's really powerful. It almost beats. Well, I think in some test it beats the other ones, the 887, the other one. So 119 for the power stack battery by itself. All right, we got this one. These are the new buy one get one frees, guys. Make sure you guys look at these if you're interested in this. These are the 12 volt extreme. This is a one-handed reciprocating saw. DCS 312B. This is one-handed reciprocating saw, like I said, 12 volts. So if you buy this tool, you basically get this kit for free. You get a 5, a 3, and you get a charger. So that's a really good deal. And if you guys look at the back, sometimes they got them stacked up. You got the bandsaw on the back, guys, and you do have to buy the tool. So the tool may vary on price. So just keep that in mind. $39 for a 12-inch blade. Sometimes they have a pack of two. So you make sure you guys look at for those for the pack of two. Got this one on clearance from 149 to 74. Some of you guys are getting it for $40. So make sure you guys look at that. This one's fairly new. I haven't seen this before, at least not recently. Pretty decent quality here. Pretty entry level. Pretty much entry level. $24. $24.98 for that one. Then $19.98 for this one. This was just a made in the USA tape measure. If you want to just have a made in the USA, then this is pretty much the way to go. You got 14-inch reach. You got $24.98 for the socket set here. This is a really small socket set. Really basic with just a ratchet extension and a few sockets, 6-point sockets, which is a good thing. Quarter-inch drive. For me, it's way too small. But like I said, it's for smaller stuff, lighter duty. Got $14.98 for the 3-piece speed board, $24.98 for the Spade bit. So these are the speed boards. These are compatible with the impact drive. If you guys look at the bottom, the hex part, and these are a little bit aggressive. You guys look at they're self drilling or self driven. And then these are Spade bits, and they come with a really nice case, and these are compatible with the impact drivers. As you guys look at that, does come with an extension at the right. If you guys look at the right, it does have an extension. So it's some piece. You got a 3-piece Cobalt, 3 tool for $249 from $299. I believe we've seen this before. I just haven't. You got the impact wrench here. It's a half-inch high torque impact wrench, one of the newer ones from Cobalt, down to $219. Was $269. That's a pretty good deal on this one. It's really strong. All right, here's another one. Something that we haven't looked at before. This is the impact wrench, half-inch impact wrench. You buy this impact wrench, you get the free combo kit. That's the way it looks. If you guys are looking for this, for these buy one get one free, as it says right there. Plus, I needed a thumbnail for this video. Yeah, guys, so $149, guys. This is a really nice impact wrench. Really compact. Probably one of the newer ones out. I don't know exactly how new this thing is, but it's one of the newer ones. And then that's the way the box looks like right there. Make sure you guys look at for that half an inch 13mm impact wrench tool only. a DCF 901B. So that's pretty much the tool by itself. If you guys look at there, it says yeah, battery and charger sold separately, 12 volt max. So these are 12 volt tools, and that is the model number and the SKU. You guys are gonna look for that, and you guys are gonna pick that up and pick up the batteries, of course, and get those free. So 998 is a 16 inch toolbox, Craftsman toolbox. These are fairly new. I haven't seen these before. Pretty decent, guys. Pretty basic. If you guys want to use them for storage for the garage and label them, you guys could use it for that. For smaller stuff or smaller tools. You got the 1/2 inch drill driver, 59 down from 79. Then you got brushless drill driver here, 83 bucks down from 119. I would recommend you guys go brushless. Impact driver, 59 bucks, not brushless, just a regular brush. Alright, this is a nice one. This is a V20 brushless SDS rotary hammer, 83 bucks. Some of you guys got this for 40 bucks. So some of you even lower than that. So let me know that in the comment section if you guys got any of these tools at your lower than this. So you got 3/8 impact wrench, $69.30 down from $99. $55 down from $79. This is the impact driver. You got $49 at Craftsman 7. I believe it's a 7 1/4 miter saw stand. With miter saw with the stand. That's the one we got. We just did a review on that recently. So you guys know this is the Dewalt. This is just a chop saw. It's not a slider. This is the slider. This is the one that you should get, the 779. It's one of the better ones out there. It's really good deal on this $399. Home Depot has the same price, so definitely check it out, guys. Either Home Depot or Lowe's. All right, down to $14.97 from $29. This is the Jorgensen 4-piece Pro. Guys, this one's down to $49, almost 50 bucks. Guys, this is a really good deal. I ended up picking one of these. Hopefully, I can do a video review if I can find it, because I think I lost it. But yeah, I'll look for it, and hopefully I can get a video out for you guys, so you guys will look at the quality on this, the lighting and everything. It's supposed to be green, so a lot easier to see according to what it says here. A lot of you guys in the comments said that you guys prefer the green one. Let me know down in the comment section what do you guys think about that. Alright, so 20 volts brushless drill there, 149, and they got a 2-pack here, a 2 kit combo, $299. Was $399, and obviously they don't have some of these. These are already out of stock. I'm just showing you guys the sticker. Maybe you guys could price match if you guys see any at your Lowe's. Got an Extreme 3/8 drill driver kit, 99 bucks, and then you got the 3/8 impact wrench, $99. It's the same, almost the same as the other one. The other one, I think it's a little bit more powerful. This is the DCF 901. This is the 1/2 inch impact wrench. The one that you get for you buy that and you get the batteries for free, so you have to purchase it for $149. Still a great deal for you getting those batteries. And then I saw this catch my attention. This is a screwdriver here. It does have it seems like it has a weird battery. It looks like a 4-bolt. I don't know exactly what type of battery is that. So it's a DCF 602 screwdriver type 1. So it's cordless screwdriver. So, and it's $79. So it's 8 volt. I thought it was 4, but it's 8. So 79 bucks. And guys, I thought I scored this. My blood just dropped when I saw this, $66. Oh my god, because these are on clearance for around 60 bucks. But no, it's the Craftsman radio charger, which is still a really good deal for 66 bucks. I wouldn't think about it, but they didn't have it. They only had this one. Alright, so this one's 99 bucks. The 3 amp hour compact 2-pack. It's a pretty good upgraded sales there on that one. You got a 2-pack here, shaker, 59 bucks for Craftsman. And then another 2-pack 4 amp hour, 79 bucks. And then you got this 31 piece Metabo HPT. It's a really nice set. It looks like it. I haven't tried these bits. Like I said, let me know in the comment section of any of these tools if you guys tried them before. They look pretty decent actually. So you got some drill bits here on the right. You got looks like a sleeve. You got $12.98 down from $14.98 down clearance. Same thing with this one, down to $12.98. It's 33 piece drive set. You got some flats there. You got some looks like some Robertsons squares, some Phillips. I don't know if you're missing a few there, but it looks like it's missing a few. Alright guys, this is the really good deal, really great deal. Definitely check it out. This is this is pretty much buy these two for 149. This is a triple hammer and a hammer drill. So that triple hammer is a beast, guys. It's one of the better ones that they have. It's a pro grade. These are pro grade tools, guys. The fans, guys, are down to 77.37, down from 129. Some of you've been scoring this like crazy, like 30 bucks, 40 bucks. The difference between the new and the old, obviously the old is the one that gets getting discounted. This is the new one here. So you guys know it only takes a battery. But if you guys look at the old one, it takes this extension cord, which is better. I do have this one. This thing's a beast. But you guys notice the difference. The same thing, but the older is the one that takes the extension cord. Obviously, the older was the one on clearance. 26.37 down from 32.98. It's a 7-piece SDS Plus drill bit set from Bulldog. It's a really nice set. These drill bits, these SDS are really expensive. They're more expensive than your regular drill bits here. 59.37 down from 99. This is a drill accessory for the SDS. This I believe it is universal, so should be in, yes, for SDS rotary hammers. So it would say Dewalt use only, but yeah, it's universal. We got 39.98. This is a 4.5 grinder. Still for 39.98. It's been there for a while. I think this is a good price. It does include a few discs there. And this is the Bulldog. And this is an 8 amp hour. Or 8 amp. My bad. Not amp hour. Amp. 179 down from 219. It's a 1-inch rotary hammer. And guys, I found this this ad here. Hopefully, well, not hopefully, but they might have this starting soon. So they got the buy one get one free from Bosch. So you buy that, you get a battery, and then same thing with this one. You buy the battery pack for 169. You get a free tool. You get the 2-pack there spiders for 1997, and you got some gloves there and some Lufkin tape measures. And I got a washer and dryer. That's a really good deal on that one. $5.90 if you got, if you got some rentals and stuff like that. Guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one.